Garlic grows best in well-drained, moisture-retentive soil with pH between 6 and 7. Plant cloves in the fall, usually 1 or 2 weeks after the first frost. Unless you control weeds early, they can easily overtake young garlic plants. Depending on a variety and climate zone, harvest garlic between late June and late July. Garlic is a close relative of onions and chives. It is a medicinal and culinary herb. Garlic forms bulbs that separate into many cloves. Each clove is covered with a white purplish or pinkish papery sheet. Have your soil tested. Garlic grows best in well-drained, moisture-retentive soil with pH between 6 and 7. Improve your soil's organic matter content by adding well-rotted manure or compost in spring or fall. Do not use fresh manure, as it might contain harmful bacteria and might increase root problems. Prior to planting, till your soils to provide a loose growing bed for bulb growth. Garlic has a moderate to high demand for nitrogen, so you can incorporate urea before planting. Top dress as soon as shoots emerge, then again 2 to 3 weeks afterwards. Avoid applying nitrogen after the first week in May, or you might delay bulbing. You might not need additional nitrogen in the spring if you incorporated enough compost in the fall. Continuous use of high phosphorus fertilizer or high rates of manure or compost results in phosphorus buildup in the soil. If your soil tests high in phosphorus, use a low or no phosphorus fertilizer. Some runoff might occur with false fertilizer. It can then become a major pollution. High levels of phosphorus support overproduction of algae, which causes significant reduction in water quality. Hardneck types have white garlic flower bud growing on a green stem of garlic plant. Common hardneck types are rocambole, purple stripe, and porcelain. Hardneck varieties produce a flowering stalk, called a scape. Flowers on scapes usually abort and form bulbs, or small aerial clouds. You can remove scapes just after they start curling and eat them. You can also use more mature scapes in flower arrangements. Softneck types include artichoke and silverskin. These varieties typically produce more cloves and are easy to breed. Softneck varieties do not grow on flowering stalk, like the hardneck types. To grow garlic, you must plant cloves. Plant cloves in the fall, usually 1 or 2 weeks after the first frost. Roots and shoots will emerge from the cloves by the first hard freeze. The shoots will usually not emerge from the soil until the following spring. Separate individual cloves a day or 2 before planting. Plant cloves in double rows, 6 inches apart. Center the rows on beds, 30 inches apart. Plant cloves pointed side up with the base of the clove 2 to 3 inches from the soil surface. Cover beds with 3 to 4 inches of leaf or straw mulch to prevent fluctuating temperatures during the winter and early spring, and to help control weeds. Remove mulch in the spring after the threat of hard freezes is over to help the soil warm up. You can also leave it in a place to help with weed control and preserve soil moisture. Proper watering will help growth of your garlic plants. Soak the soil thoroughly when watering, to a depth of at least 1 inch each week during the growing season. Sandy soils require more frequent watering. Stop watering 2 weeks before harvest to avoid staining bulb wrappers and promoting diseases. Control weeds early They can easily overtake young garlic plants. Use mulch to reduce annual weed growth. Use straw-free or weed seed as mulch. A thorough, shallow cultivation before reapplying straw mulch in the spring will reduce annual weed populations. Harvesting too early will result in small bulbs. Harvesting too late will result in clouds popping out of bulbs. Depending on a variety and the climate zone, harvest garlic between late June and late July. Begin harvesting when the lower leaves turn brown and when half of or slightly more than half of the upper leaves remain green. Alternative: you can pull a few bulbs and cut them in half. If the cloves fit the skins, then the bulbs are ready to harvest. Harvest the garlic plants with shoots and bulbs attached. Knock off any large clumps of soil. Put the plants in a warm, dry, airy place for 3 to 4 weeks to cure. This will dry the sheets surrounding the bulbs, as well as the shoots and roots. After curing, cut the shoots 1/2 to 1 inch above the bulbs and the roots trimmed close to the bulb base. You can save garlic cloves from one crop to the next. Keep the biggest one for planting the following year. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos. Plant, Farm, Eat, it's a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.